Launching your remote penetration testing lab with the Cloud Engine. Cloud services help to deploy and scale applications that run simultaneously on multiple computers. So in this video, we'll learn how to prepare your inline environment for penetration testing purposes. Cloud services become so popular in our time. There is a dozen of companies offers cloud computing, VPS, and dedicated servers. For penetration testing, a small budget to use a Metasploit is granted. All you have to do is just open your box with routable privileges to manage your environment and prepare your Metasploit tasks. As I mentioned before, there are dozens of companies that provide cloud services, like Amazon, Google, DigitalOcean, and more. But in my case, I prefer to use Vultr for simplicity while creation of your server. The things that you have to make sure you use suitable server location, and the requirements we need is fair enough, not costly at all. And we have to consider that we will focus on installation of Debian 8, which is most stable for installation of penetration testing lab. In this whole process, all you need is a couple of minutes. To start the creation of server using Vultr is pretty easy. All you have to do is click on this button, which is deploy in your server options. After that, you have to specify your desired location. In my case, I will use Germany. The second option is using operating system. In my case, I prefer to use Debian version 8. The third step is choosing your server size. $10 per month is fair enough for penetration testing. And here you have to specify the name of server. I will choose Metasploit and then hit deploy now. It takes about 2 minutes to start your installation. To install Metasploit, all you have to do is copy and paste this command. But maybe you have to face some errors that I have to show you how to fix it. So this will download the script and trying to install. After that, the installation process will be refused because online environment is different from your local environment. What we have to do is just modify MSF install script. So you have to go to this line and make sure to omit this one. Then you save the change by Ctrl O. To close it, Ctrl X. After that, we execute the script again. And now it starts the process of installation. It takes a couple of minutes to download and finish installation Metasploit file. After that, all you have to do is just typing MSF console. And now you are ready to use Metasploit from your online environment. And as an extra recipes, I would recommend to install a trusted seg BTF script, which will download and install all required tools script, including Metasploit. The second thing that you have to is to whitelist incoming port to accept reverse connection from outside your network. And of course, you can use cron tab to schedule your Metasploit script tasks. To start installing BTF framework from Trusted Sig, all you have to do is clone the script to your online box. After that, you access the folder and then run it. To install all the modules, all you have to do is just use this command and will install, update all the requirements modules. In case to explore all the modules or specify which one that you have to install, you have to type show modules and then use any of these to install. To start using cron tape to schedule your tasks, all you have to do from your terminal is executing cron tape-e. And then, for example, to run a specific script each 5 days, all you have to do is inserted here. This command will run MSF console using specified script every 5 days. And actually, you can learn more about cron tape from their own resources, like for example, running it every specific day or one time every week. That depends on your needs. After that, you hit Ctrl O and the new cron tape will be executed on the time. To whitelist incoming port, which we'll need for reverse connection, all you have to do is go to Settings, then Firewall, and then go to Manage. After that, you have to add Firewall Group. And here, I will type Allow port. In this option, we will have to use TCP as protocol type, and you are free to use any port you would like. In my case, I prefer to use 4444, which is default in Metasploit. After that, you have to choose Source Anywhere to accept incoming connections to specific port from anywhere. After that, you have to just add it. After you add your firewall group, you go again to your instance, then Settings. After that, Firewall, and choose your one. In next video, we will start learning easy guide for installation of Metasploit framework.